Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to send a friend request in Steam using a friend code. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and on the main interface, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen. You'll see an option labeled Friends. Go ahead and click on it, and from the menu that appears, select Add a Friend. This is the gateway to connecting with other Steam users and expanding your gaming network. After clicking Add a Friend, you'll be taken to a new screen where you'll see a box that says Enter Friend Code. This is where you'll input the unique code that identifies the person you want to add. Click on the text field to activate it and make it ready for typing. Now type in your friend's 9-digit Steam friend code. This code is unique to each Steam user and serves as a quick way to find and connect with people without needing to search through usernames or email addresses. Make sure you enter the code carefully to avoid any errors, as even one wrong digit will prevent you from finding the right person. Once you've entered the friend code, look to the right beside their name that appears. You'll see a button that says Send Invite. Click on this button to send your friend request. This will notify the person that you'd like to connect with them on Steam, and once they accept, you'll be able to see each other's online status, game libraries, and communicate directly through the platform. And that's it. You've successfully sent a friend request on Steam using a friend code, making it easier to connect with gaming friends quickly and efficiently. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.